To a standard for. We were each created to be individual standards, you know? And we're trying to fit into a standard. Does it make any sense?
Just about the
Free your mind.
Yeah. Conversations about the future, ramen noodles and our favorite positions from Kama Sutra, rolling Buddha. We can meet on a spiritual plane. Tap my frequency, hit me if you feel what I'm saying. Let's take a break from the world and a walk through my mind. Yeah. Trace the veins through every artery. Let my heart speak to you. Fuck my words, they don't do it right. I'll transfuse these views, just hope that you reply. Cause as a kid, I was flipping through the history books, my soul searching for a hero to explain life. So many people came close, but just not quite. The words will always stick with me, but it's different now. Got them tatted on my skin as a vow. Still it feels less innocent how I got a mind full of questions, and I'll probably never figure them out. If I do, I hope I scribble it down, make the listener proud. Actually, I got something to ask you, cause I've been getting guidance and I can't relate. They telling me to take the meaning out of what I say. Just focus on your image, maybe buy a chain. I'm asking them if that's what makes them feel powerful. I'm asking you if you would rather I empower you, cause I guess that's what I imagined. But to be honest, I've been sitting here without a clue. Every day I'm blowing trees up on a balcony, alone with my imagination like I'm out at sea. Up late while the whole world's sound asleep, trying to think of what to say that's really me. Yeah.
After all that, I'm just ready to be me. And it's a lot to work through, you know, because all of us have hidden in these little boxes.
I check the mirror, all I see is a reflection of the corny ass shit that this world must have expected when they put together this mere mortal so